Hey guys, I was just looking around YouTube and I found a really cool idea. This is a mushroom house that you can make in survival, creative, or whatever, and you can do it with 0% effort. I promise. Just look inside, the basic stuff for a house, blah blah blah. And now I'm going to tell you how. First, find an area when you want to build the house with. Then you dig one space down and you take the red mushroom. Wait, I think I need to cover it around like this. There you go. Yep. And you put the red mushroom. The white mushroom will create a flat surface, but this creates a architectural design that looks like a house. Then what you needed to do is you need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 blocks high. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you build it at the 6th block high, and build like a 3x3 space to add the mushroom, to trick the programming to say that there's no sun up there. Then what you need to do, just take bone meal, destroy this, replace this with grass if you want, take that, and just add doors. And yeah, that's very easy, right? That's easy to make. You can do it with 0% effort, and you can do it in one click. Just put mushroom down, and just put bone meal and bone meal and bone meal until it builds. Destroy the unnecessary parts. Then you decorate it. It doesn't look that fancy, but it's good for a temporary house if you don't have that much good stuff, like if you're in Skyblock or something, because you have limited resources. And if you don't want to make it with cobblestone, you can make it using this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.